Hey, Golden Asteroid here. So I got this motorcycle. This here, it's a 250 KLX250SF. Anyway, the it won't start. So yesterday I cranked on the starter, wouldn't start. I drained the battery. I did all the things that you would normally do to start one, which includes the choke is on, the fuel is uh, on, not reserve, but on with a full tank. It had half a tank when I started. Well, it didn't really help, so fine. So I took it off reserve, flipped it up, and then I filled it the rest of the way up. So right now the tank's like 3/4 of the way full, okay? And then I did the normal stuff of what you would do to start one. Turn the choke on, shake the bike back and forth, build up pressure in the tank to push fuel through the carburetor, pump the throttle, open and close the throttle, open the throttle all the way and hit the starter button. It should just suck fuel. And I don't remember smelling much fuel coming out of it. So I think that has something to do with it. So I found my Allen wrenches. It's a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench. And then on the bottom, every carburetor has a bolt, right? It's best to have fuel injection, but that's okay. This is an older motorcycle. It works great when it's going good. Anyway, it usually, with a carburetor issue, it usually gets worse and worse and worse, and then finally it just don't start, right? So that's why I think it's the bowl, water or whatever, and plus it's been sitting for a while with only a quarter tank. Age of the fuel doesn't matter because I've been able to start motorcycles with 5 years of fuel in it. I mean, I don't believe that at all. So anyway, we're going to drain the bowl and see what comes out of it. So, yeah. In this particular model, it has a choke on the other side and a full throttle. So the bowl of the carburetor's right here. You can see it. Here, I'll show it to you. This is right there. See that screw? Right there, that's the screw I want to turn. See the hose right here? That should drain down here somewhere, and I want to catch it in this pan. Okay. So anyway, let's drain it and see what comes out of it. I'm guessing a bunch of water. Boy, that was hard to open. Crank it all the way open. Oh yeah, it looks just fine. It smells fuel-ish. Kind of disappointed because, oh, no I'm not. Yeah. So, let's analyze the fuel that came out of it. So, this is the fuel that came out. See how it's murky? It's real murky. It even smells like motorboat fuel. You know, like in a motorboat. Usually water, you know what I mean? Anyway, yeah, it smells like motorboat fuel, and it's real cloudy. So that will do it. let's give her a try now. I bet it'll start now. Getting that bad fuel out of it. Let's see if it'll start now. I bet it does. So we don't catch the world on fire here. Yeah, I don't see any water separation, but it's probably saturated in water. Real murky fuel. Okay. Got the key in there. Now we're going to do the same thing that we normally do to start it. Choke the hell out of it. Put the fuel on with the fuel above the on filter. Turn the key on. Open the throttle all the way and hit the start button. Doesn't start. So then we hit the throttle a couple of times. Still have the choke on. You know, a couple of times. There we go. Oh, dang it. Whoops. Yep, we're not there yet. It's good to just leave it open. So you can see draining the bowls. Pretty important. There you go.